South Asia's security landscape is rapidly accelerating into a high-end, multi-domain arms race. Today's intelligence briefing covers four critical developments: India's strategic nuclear testing, strict demands on foreign aerospace tech, Pakistan's rapid deployment of Chinese hardware, and intensifying friction along India's borders. These shifts reflect a direct collision between India's push for technological sovereignty and its neighbors' reliance on foreign-backed military alignment. On May 8th, the DRDO successfully flight-tested an advanced Agni ballistic missile, dropping multiple payloads across spatially distributed targets in the Indian Ocean region. This math illustrates the core concept: multiple independently targetable reentry vehicle, or MIRV technology. A single vehicle separates to deliver multiple warheads to separate targets. While officially unspoken, intelligence points to the quiet debut of the Agni 6 ICBM. Fielding a functional MIRV-capable ICBM complicates adversary defenses. By forcing enemy systems to track and intercept multiple independent warheads simultaneously, India secures a nearly unstoppable first or second strike capability. Moving to aerospace, the Indian Air Force has set a strict prerequisite for any foreign manufacturer bidding on the 114 MRFA jet program: full interface control document access. This timeline highlights why that data is critical. Procuring a jet today requires planning for its 2035 midlife upgrade cycle. The IAF requires sovereign technical control to strip out the manufacturer's original radar and independently integrate indigenous Indian systems. To win Indian defense contracts moving forward, foreign aerospace firms must surrender deep technical secrets and abandon long-term monopolies on system upgrades. Across the border, Pakistan's immediate financial stabilization via a freshly cleared $1.32 billion IMF lifeline coincides directly with the rapid fielding of localized Chinese hardware. This matrix breaks down two new systems. On the left, the Fateh 3, a Mach 4 cruise missile with a 450-kilometer range. On the right, the Type 625 air defense system, combining a Gatling gun and missiles to protect against drone swarms and low-flying threats. Beijing is enabling Islamabad to rapidly close tactical and anti-air asymmetric gaps with India by providing direct, off-the-shelf military upgrades. Domestically, India is accelerating its own manufacturing. The Ministry of Defense has initiated the acquisition of 83 tracked armored carriers, shifting the Akash air defense system off its existing truck mounts to increase mobility and true protection. Looking at this competitor matrix, we see India's export strategy in action. India is heavily pitching the Akash Prime to Malaysia, competing directly against China's HQ-16 and HQ-9, as well as South Korea's Russian-assisted KM-SAM. Lower-level tactical milestones are also piling up. Hindustan Shipyard has begun cutting steel on the Navy's fifth 45,000-ton fleet support ship, while Indian startups are debuting micromunitions like Airbound's new autonomous VTOL drone and Boz's precision mortar-dropping drone systems. India's defense industrial base is transitioning into a competitor in the global arms market, moving beyond domestic supply into active international bidding. This map tracks diplomatic pressure. In the north, the Lipulekh region remains contested, with Nepal reiterating territorial claims and halting diplomatic visits. Moving east, Bangladesh has requested Chinese support for the Teesta River project, opening the door for expanded influence. By utilizing strategic infrastructure projects and contested geography, adversaries are testing a strategy of geopolitical encirclement against India. Today, South Asia is caught in a multi-layered escalation where territorial friction meets a high-end race for technical superiority. As India advances sovereign deterrence through MIRV technology and strict manufacturing mandates,